And we're back in the Mojave Desert, Barstow, California. The secret Just Wing It test facilities here. Okay, hey, we have the the Clipped Wing Cub. I almost said the Carbon Cub. And we have the Clipped Wing Cub. We're back. I haven't had a Carbon Z Cub for a while. It's been a while. Anyway, hey, it's a beautiful sunshiny day. We're going to go ahead and show some more of what this plane can do. There's pretty much an upline as long as you want it into a reverse half Cuban. Okay, this plane is just an absolute joy to fly. And there we go. Knife edge in the brilliant blue California skies. Pretty much off into the distance. Okay, we're gonna let her come back. We're gonna show you. In fact, we're gonna do a full throttle pass. Here we go. Okay, 3S 2200. Okay, it's a 55C China Hobby Lines, and I'm running her at 5 minutes. And we have 30% expo dialed in all the way around. So we'll do a 2-point hesitation. There we go. And we'll bring her up on the end. Do a little hammerhead. Bring her right back towards us. Alright. Yeah, this thing is just an absolute, again, it's a joy to fly. It is a blast. And the more I fly it, and this is what you're seeing here is probably the, what, 5th time I think I've flown this thing now? So it does pretty good. There's a loop with a twist. And right back at us. Alright. We're going to try and keep these short, only because my wonderful Mobius camera, it's very old. So the battery is not doing so red hot. Yeah, this thing is just an absolute blast. Those of you who watch the channel know that I like to buzz myself quite a bit, so that's not very uncommon to see. All right, full rudder, deflection. It's about a 70% knife edge for throttle, and yeah, she'll lock in pretty well. That's about 70, maybe 80% throttle on that. Here we go. Nice low pass. That's full throttle. Okay. Alright, I think y'all get the idea. This is just a wonderful flying plane. Let's go ahead and let's bring her on in, and we'll do pilot's impressions. Okay. We're about 40% throttle over the threshold. And there we go. Okay. We got 2 minutes left. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that one again, only because the bounces aren't so bad. You can see how I caught the bounce. I arrested it on the back end, but I want to try and do a wheel landing for you to see just how well she'll do a wheel landing. Okay, kicked in a little bit of rudder in that turn. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and bring the throttle down a little bit. Bring it the elevator, throttle down. And there we go. Okay, actually that was almost a 3-pointer, really. She settled right in, very controllable, very nice, and all of that. So just absolutely enjoying the heck out of this plane and getting ready for Arizona Electric Fest. That's coming up here this upcoming weekend. Today's Monday, and there you go. So all right. Okay, so there we are. So hey, Clipped Wing Cub, more videos to come. I'm trying to shoot as much video as possible while I fly this thing and I get used to it and get ready for our demonstration on Saturday for the Arizona Electric Fest. So I hope you're enjoying this first look, sneak peek at the upcoming E-flite Clipped Wing Cub. A rock solid 2 thumbs up. I'm telling you, this thing is right at home, either at your club field or, as you can see here, at a ballpark, right at a football field. just make sure it's okay to fly. You know, obviously a lot of cities have different regulations. Here in Barstow, they actually like to promote this sort of thing. There are a lot worse things people could be doing with their time, so they try to engender the hobbies and sports that cultivate learning, stimulate the mind, etc., which this actually does. So in any event, hey, I hope you're enjoying these flights. We're going to try and keep them short and sweet. We're going to throw another battery in this thing and get her back in the air. So hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Especially thanks for subscribing. Lots of new subscribers lately. Hope you're enjoying the flights, enjoying the ride. Again, a rock solid 2 thumbs up on this. Clipped Wing Cub from E-flite. Happy landings, everybody. Cheers.